Unleash your full-stack potential by effortlessly merging Lovable's intuitive front-end design with Supabase's powerful backend in under 90 seconds. First, let's set the stage by understanding what each platform brings to the table. Lovable excels in creating beautiful and responsive user interfaces with lightning speed, allowing you to focus on the look and feel of your application without getting bogged down in complex coding for the front end. Supabase, on the other hand, provides a robust and open-source Firebase alternative. It offers you a PostgreSQL database, authentication, real-time subscriptions, storage, and even edge functions. All the essential backend building blocks you need. The magic happens when we connect these two. We'll start by envisioning your application's user experience in Lovable. Think about the data you will need and how users will interact with it. Next, we'll configure your Supabase project. This involves setting up your database tables to mirror the data your Lovable application will manage, such as user profiles or product inventories. Then, we'll establish the crucial connection. This typically involves using Supabase's client libraries within your Lovable project. You'll configure these libraries with your Supabase project's unique URL and a service role key, ensuring secure communication. With the connection established, you can now seamlessly push data from your Lovable interface directly into your Supabase database. For instance, when a user submits a form in Lovable, that data will be securely stored in your Supabase tables. Furthermore, you can leverage Supabase's real-time capabilities. Imagine user activity in Lovable triggering instant updates across your application, all powered by Supabase's real-time subscriptions, keeping everyone in sync. By mastering this integration, you're not just building an application. You're creating a streamlined development workflow, allowing you to bring full-stack ideas to life with unprecedented ease and efficiency. Get ready to build